Submigil. Sige mo.
Okay na. Welcome to our website, Friendship Forever. We dedicate our website to our friends who are close to our heart, which is Victoria, Carlo, Johnson, Mayor, and Jean. But before you enjoy to view our website, you should register first as a user after you. So, after you registered, you can log in and enjoy to visit our website. In home page, you can see the picture's description and story on how we became friends. And in About Us button, you can see our picture and basic information about us. And if you want to visit our Facebook account, just click our picture and click the friendship button to see more inspirational quotes about friendship. And the last button is the explanation. This page which you can see in how we create the website. This is how we make our website. We only use Wix Web Builder, which is so easy and very convenient to use because it is only drag, click, edit, and choosing the best template we want. After we design the website, we right-click and click the page source and paste the code and upload in YZ.me, the free hosting. After we upload the code, which is given of our teacher, Ma'am Aisel Timbal, we provide the background and change the font color and log in, log out, and register. And we also create the database to view who is visiting our website.